Just do it. Come on, watch this video and find out the many uses of just in English. Hi, my name's Damien and I'm the English sledgehammer that smashes down language barriers. And this series is all about getting smarter with new vocabulary. It's more about depth, not breadth. What do I mean by that? Well, as a teacher, I see so many times students like to learn lots and lots of new words, but they don't really know how to use those words in speaking or writing. So depth is about really getting to know a word so you can use it when you speak in English or when you need to write in English. Also, it's important to choose high frequency words. So all the words in this series are taken from the essential word list, which basically covers the top 560 words in English. If you know all these words really well, then you have a good chance of being fluent in general English. So in this episode, we're focusing on just. You don't need all the other words. When we use just to talk about time, we use it as an adverb. When we use just for the meaning of fairness, we have the adjectives just and unjust, and the noun justice. Here's some ways to use it. For emphasis, you can say, just calm down. Your boyfriend was a loser anyway. Meaning to talk about the recent past. Maybe someone's trying to call you, but you're really busy, so you text them and say, just wait a minute. Yeah, I think he needs more time. Use it like exactly. Oh, thank you. It's exactly what I wanted. Meaning 3, for fairness. My friend parties all the time and still does well in English. There's no justice in this world. Don't put just in front of the helping verb have. I just have finished. I have just finished. Collocations are words that go together. Learn these and you'll be more fluent in English. Some good collocations to do with time are just about, just before, and just after. Or for emphasis, just because, or just enough. Remember to check out Play Phrase Me to find more examples of collocations in spoken English. It's in the links below. Nike's slogan, just do it, wasn't inspired by Michael Jordan, but rather the last words of a prisoner before being executed for murder. So just do it, yeah? English is all about practice. So write 3 sentences in the comment box below using just, and if you're lucky, I'll give you some feedback on your grammar. Also, remember to like, subscribe and hit that bell to keep up to date with all my latest videos, as over the coming months I'll be exploring more words from the essential word list. And if you're interested in a full vocabulary system, then why not try out my book? And you can find a description for English words unmasked down below. You know where to go. And as I like to say, start smashing English language barriers today. See you next time.